Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys 3 of the best metallic kind of colors on Dress to Impress. I'm just going to showcase it using this glittery dress because I really like it. So the first one is we have this color. Go to the wheel section of this outfit and then type this, and it's silver basically, which it's already silver, but if you want to use something else, that's the like silver color. Here I'll like put it in the like on the hair. That's the silver one. Then next is we have the rose gold one, which is one of my favorites. So it's E0998D, and it is this color. So pretty, like as you can see. Can put it on the hair as well here. Beautiful. Next we have the gold one, which is CCB06F. This is the gold one, and those are just 3 of the like cute metallic colors. You can also try to find copper and bronze, but I haven't gotten there yet. I might try it now to give it. Oh, this could be like a cute gold. I don't know, like bronze, maybe like this. I don't know what color bronze is. Like maybe like this. Then for copper, you want to make it go red a little bit and like a little bit orange. I don't really know. Maybe like here. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!